I'm Josh Smith. We're at Delphian Trading. I'm a training strategist there. In this session, we're going to be covering the earnings calendar / screener. When we log in, we're on the dashboard. We click the expand button, and under earnings, click calendar. So this will bring you to the calendar that we set up, and it acts as a screener. So you can enter the days up here. If you want 2 days to 45 days, we can enter those manually here. And you can also select the stock list that we have defined or ones that you have created under the user defined. We'll just leave it on all symbols right now. All these tabs have different criteria that we screen for. Under bullish pre-runners, the criteria is highlighted up here, the right. 3 of the last 4 earnings, price move plus 10% or higher from 10 days prior to the earnings through the close. And here's the symbols that met that criteria. There are quick links where you can go to the earnings analysis for the symbols. You can also run back tests based off of this criteria for this symbol. And then you can also find correlation to see what other symbols they're correlated with. So we can click that briefly. PRC, and it runs the correlation to let you know what symbols are highly correlated with CRC. We have the list here. The next one's bears pre-runner. So this is just dropping 10% or lower from 10 days prior to the close the day before earnings. At the money, volatility rise. This is 4 out of 4. The volatility rose more than 20% from 10 days prior to the earnings date. Price movers. So this is 3 out of the 4 earnings moved in either direction over 10% from 1 day prior to the earnings to the close after the earnings release. So this is going to be ones that you look at for like a straddle or a strangle because they move. Non-movers, so it's 4 out of 4. The price moved less than 8% either direction from 1 day before earnings through the earnings release. At the money volatility crush, it's 4 out of 4. Yeah, the at the money IV decreased more than 20% from 1 day before earnings through the earnings release. And you can go through and sort things by the different columns if you want. Like simply clicking the column header. Bullish runners, so this one's going to move up after earnings release 3 out of 4 times. Bearish runners will be running down after the announcement 3 out of 4 times. So EPS positive surprises, so they had 4 consecutive earnings surprises. And then the negative is 4 consecutive negative EPS reports. So it's an overview of the earnings calendar. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@delphiantrading.com or the number listed.